Hello guys, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis.
Be ready for the dictation. Start. The Karnataka High Court on Tuesday rejected a petition seeking direction to regional passport officer to reissue petitioner's passport on him having lost the passport without him registering a first information report with the police as is prescribed under the rules framed under the Passport Act. Stop para. A single judge bench of Justice Krishna S. Dikshit, while dismissing the petition of one Sridhar Kulkarni, said, "Right to travel abroad is a fundamental right, is true, but it is regulated by the Passport Act and rules framed thereunder. Stop. If rules prescribe a procedure, one has to follow the same by making appropriate application along with the requisite documents. Stop para. Section 24 of the Passport Act empowers the central government to make rules for carrying out the purposes of the Act, including the issue of a duplicate passport or travel document in lieu of a passport or travel document lost, damaged, or destroyed. Stop para. Schedule 5 of Passport Rules 1980 prescribe that the holder of a passport or travel document is personally responsible for its safe custody. Stop. It must not be willfully lost, damaged, or destroyed. Stop. In case of an unintentional loss or destruction, the fact and circumstances of such loss or destruction should be immediately reported to the nearest passport authority in India or bracket if the holder of the passport is abroad bracket close to the nearest Indian mission or post and to the local police. Stop para. Similarly, Annexure F to the rules stipulates declaration of applicant for obtaining passport in lieu of lost oblique damaged passport. Stop. It requires the applicant to state how and when the passport was lost oblique damaged and when FIR was lodged at which police station and how many passports were lost oblique damaged earlier. Stop para. The petitioner happens to be an accused in the offence registered against him by his spouse. Stop. He argued that the right to travel is recognized as a part of Article 21 of the Constitution in the light of Supreme Court's decision in Menka Gandhi versus Union of India within bracket 1978, and thus there is a duty cast on the regional passport officer to issue a fresh passport where one is lost. Stop para. Further, he relied on the magistrate court order which permitted him to travel abroad. Stop para. Deputy Solicitor General Shanti Bhushan H, appearing for the Union, opposed the plea, saying, though right to travel abroad is recognized as a fundamental right, it is regulated by the provisions of the Passport Act 1967. Stop. It is not that the passport was not given to the petitioner, but he has lost the same and is now seeking for a renewed within bracket reissue passport. Bhushan contended. Stop. He added that under Section 17 of the Act, a passport is the property of the central government. Stop para. The court, on hearing the parties and perusing the record, declined indulgence in the matter, saying, stop. The case is not of the issuance of passport but issuance of renewed within bracket reissue passport on the one being lost. Stop. Passport rules prescribes the format of documents to accompany the passport application even for the issuance of renewed within bracket reissue. Stop. Such an application has not been filed along with the required documents. Stop. Para. Further, it said the order of learned magistrate permitting the petitioner to travel abroad does not come much to aid of petitioner inasmuch as such a travel has to be preceded by the grant of passport or renewed passport as the case may be. Stop. Para. Accordingly, it dismissed the petition, saying, however, if the petitioner makes an appropriate application accompanied by requisite documents and fees, the same shall be considered by respondents RPO expeditiously and in accordance with law. Stop.